Okay, alright guys, and welcome back. And in previous class, we discussed all these tools which are necessary in Figma, and now we are going to discuss about the masking in Figma. So let's get started. And first of all, I need to take a frame and click this frame, and the shortcut is F. And here we used to have a lot of default frames, just iPhone and iPhone 13. This is very simple. I don't need to discuss it with you again. And now I need to take some random frame over here, and here this is the main frame. And one more thing, and here I need to take one eclipse. Okay, and okay, and now I need to import one image from my drive, and go to the file, and from file here we can see the place image, and the shortcut is Ctrl+Shift+K. And if you click this button, automatically it will take your drive, and so that you can import the images from your drive. Okay, and see here, and this is the image, and here this image is very big image, and I need to scale up this image, and the shortcut is again the scaling the image is K. And see here the icon is changed here, and previously it's in move and now it's K. The shortcut is K for the scale, and here I can reduce the size. Okay, and here I will need to place it. Okay, and coming to here, and now if you want to go back to the mode, the shortcut is V. Okay, and here this one is the top one, the image, and the bottom side we used to have ellipse. Okay, and select this one, and we used to select this one called, and select the mask both as well, and we used to select both of the things, and now we can say mask. So here we can see now the image is inserted into this ellipse, so this is known as the mask. And one more thing, if you want to change this image position or anything else, you can directly go to here in the property palette. You can see here X and the Y, automatically it will change. And if you want to rotate, you can rotate this one. Okay, and if you want to scale this one, as I said before, press K, and now we can increase the scale size a little bit. So here we can see, and now we inserted this very nicely into this eclipse. Okay, and hope you learned about how we can insert the images using the mask tool in the Figma, and it's very simple, not that much hard. Okay, and in the next class we are going to discuss about these components. Okay, and see you in the next class. Bye. Hope you learned about how we can create the masks in Figma. Thank you, and see you in the next class.